Ever wondered how high-speed data moves seamlessly? The Optic Fiber Fast Connector is the answer. It's the backbone of reliable fiber optic links. It stands out with outstanding features. It's super easy and fast to install. Learn in 30 seconds. Finish field operation in 90 seconds. No polishing or adhesive needed, as its ceramic ferrule with embedded fiber stub comes pre-polished. Inside, fiber aligns via a V-groove in the ceramic ferrule, and a low-volatile matching liquid protected by a side cover. Plus, precision mechanical alignment guarantees ultra-low insertion loss for stable signals. A unique bell-shaped boot preserves the mini fiber bending radius, while a precision anti-rotation key and corrosion-resistant body boost durability. As a pro manufacturer, we test every connector 100%, meeting ITU standards and ISO 9001-2008. Paired with fiber adapters supporting FCSC-LCST, it fuels telecommunications, data centers, and industrial automation globally. From Shenzhen, China, OI International, Ltd. delivers this top-tier solution to trusty clients worldwide.